Welcome back. So today I am going to talk about force, motion and energy. So the topics I'm going to cover today are elements of nature, force, motion, what forces can do, and types of forces. The great philosopher Aristotle believed that the universe was only made out of 5 basic elements: earth, water, air, fire, and ether. But with the help of modern science, we can describe the universe in terms of space, matter, energy, force, and time. That is, universe is made up of space. Inside space exists matter and energy. Interaction between matter and energy is force. Force causes changes in matter and energy. That change is measured as time. So, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is matter. So, what is force? In simple terms, force is a push or a pull on matter. So, what can forces do? Forces determine motion. What is motion? Motion is change in position of an object with time. Motion is speed and acceleration. What can forces do? Forces can move a stationary object, stop a moving object, change direction of a moving object, and change shape of an object. Forces can be broadly classified as either action at a distance forces or contact forces. Action at a distance forces are those force exists without objects being in contact, while contact forces are those where objects must be in contact with each other for a force to act between them. Finally, we will conclude this presentation by listing some forces in each category. Gravitation, magnetism, electrostatic force are forces which act at a distance. Contact forces include frictional force, normal force, tension force, elastic and spring force, and buoyancy force. In the next presentation, I would like to describe these forces in detail. To stay tuned, please like, share, and subscribe this video.